Hi everybody. So today we are going to learn how to add product reviews on Shopify. So now let's just go to our Shopify store. Alright, so now you can see here we are inside our Shopify store. So how can we add the reviews on our Shopify store? So there are the two ways of adding the reviews. The first one is the manual and the second one is the automatic. Okay, so now first of all we will learn how to add reviews manually. Okay, so for that what you need to do, let me just zoom it in a bit. So now you can see here the open store. You just have to click on it, and as you can see here that our store is using the Dawn theme. If we want to add the reviews manually, we have to customize it. So I will simply click on the customize. Alright, so let's just have a look at our store. Okay, so what you need to do to add the reviews here, okay, so you'd simply click on the add section, and now you can see the option of multi-column here. You just click on it. Okay, so now we have the new section here of the multi-column. So now let me just click on the multi-column, and now you can see here in the multi-column we have the text. So I would simply change the text into product reviews, and I would simply add the review in the column. Okay, so okay, we can even add the pictures here. So I would add the same picture. Alright, so this is how you can add the product reviews manually, and you can add the other reviews in the similar way in the other columns, okay, in the second column and the third column as well. So let's just save this and have a look at our store. How does it look? Alright, click on the view, and now you can see this, we have our product review here. Okay, so this is how you can add the reviews manually. So now we will actually learn to add the reviews automatically. Okay, so now we just have to go back to the dashboard of our Shopify store. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to click on the apps and you have to search for the reviews here. All right, so I have to open this in another window. So now you can see the app store of the Shopify, and you can see the bunch of different apps on the reviews. Okay, and here we will actually look for the app which has the best reviews and the free plan available. So I will simply go with the judge.me product reviews, and let's just have a look at what do we get in the free offer. So we get the unlimited product reviews, and we have the in-email reviews, we had the SEO snippets, and we also have the other things. So let's just go back to the top of the page and add this app in our store. So now it actually install this app in our store. So let's just install. Okay, so now you can see here we are inside the installation of the app. So let's just click on the next, and I don't want to have the preview page on the product page. Okay, so the app is actually installed. So now let's just see how does it look on our store. So I would simply click on check the widgets on our store directly. Okay, so now you can see here we can actually add the reviews here. Okay, but before that let me just go back to our dashboard. Okay, so yeah, it looks good. Okay, so now you can see the bunch of different options here. The first one is to install the review widget, and the second one is customize review widget. If you want to customize your existing review widget, you can even import the reviews from the other apps and the CSV file. So let's just click on import reviews, and you can see the bunch of different options, okay, from which we can actually import our reviews. And you can also import the reviews in CSV file or any Excel sheet format. Okay, so this is how you can actually import this. So we would actually go back to the home, and if you want to install the review widget, so we have already installed it, as you can see here. So let's just go back to the dashboard and click on go to review widget. All right, so let's just click on install automatically. It will open up the new tab, and this would actually install or add the review widget on our product page. Okay, but as you can see here I have already have the review widget on our product page. So I will simply remove this now. Remove this. All right, so let's just save this. Okay, so this is how we could add the review widget on our product page. So let's just add and review here. So I will simply click on the write a review, and you can write down a review here. Great product, will buy again. Put down your name here. All right, so let's just submit our review and refresh our page, and you will see the review. But you haven't seen the review, and there is a reason behind it, because whenever we submit the review, it has to be reviewed by the seller. So we would actually go back to our dashboard, and now you can see here the manage reviews. So I would simply click on here, and you can see the review that I have added 1 minute ago. So I have the option to publish and hide this review if I wanted to. So I will simply publish this review right now. Okay, and I would go back to the product page. Let's just refresh this again, and now you can see that we have our review. Okay, so this is how we could add the reviews automatically. So in this video, we learn how can we add the reviews on our Shopify store. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.